Part of why I became an attorney is I really dislike bullies. I really dislike people picking on other people for no reason. And when I hear that happening, I really get personally invested in this. And a lot of the attorneys at Bay Legal feel the same way. Hi, my name is Jason Elliott, and I'm the managing attorney at Bay Legal. I was always interested in estate planning. I'm interested in how things are preserved over generations, and just the laws in general around estate planning are very interesting to me.
I contacted Bay Legal because I needed help with estate planning, and I was a little bit nervous. I've never done anything like this before. I didn't really know what to expect. It's all a little bit kind of scary to me. I was under the impression that this was going to be a very long, complicated, drawn-out process. There was going to be a lot of paperwork, and it was going to take me a very long time to complete. I was completely wrong. It was very easy to set up, so you don't have to be worried about anything, because when you go to Bay Legal, they're the ones that take care of all the difficult situations, and you can get a better night's sleep.
The real estate and construction came about because I was a contractor. I purchased and invested in my own real estate, and I had my own real estate and construction attorneys for several years. So it was just a natural fit for me. We also practice probate, which is the process that happens when you don't have estate plans. You don't have a trust. Your real estate and other assets might hopefully be in a will. If they're not in a will, then they pass according to state law. But they have to pass with a judge's order, so you have to go through the court system.
Well, it's very important that Jason is so well-versed in things like real estate, estate planning, all of the things that are important to you as you put your plan together, so your heirs are not worrying about what they need to do after you.
I find Jason to be very reliable, very knowledgeable. When I have any questions, I know that I can go to Jason and get a very true and accurate answer.
At Bay Legal, we're really focused on your assets, particularly your real estate, while you're still alive, and what happens to those assets once you're gone. So when it comes to our legal team, my primary goal in onboarding new attorneys and expanding is to find people who have experience that I didn't have, that the team doesn't have, so that we can cover more areas and expand the practice. We're strategizing as a group over complicated situations. You know, the broader breadth of experience and years, the better. Legal cases can be extremely complicated. What's most important for us is to hear your story from you, and then we work as a team to make that happen.
Last year, my son was in the process of buying a home. I called Jason at Bay Legal to get some advice on buying his house, which included a contract agreement that, with the realtor, which I wasn't familiar with. I hadn't bought a house in 30 plus years, and also about some of the fees and what to expect. So Jason was extremely helpful, kind of put my mind at ease that I was giving my son good advice.
If you're facing a dispute or planning for the future, call Bay Legal. If we can't help you, we'll point you in the right direction. If we can, we've got your back, and we're going to help you through this.